Welcome back, YouTube. Today I thought I would show us how to install an application called Moomoo. I want to be able to play some Android games on my macOS device. So let's see what we can do with this program. Ultimately, if we're successful, we'll be able to try to play Fortnite. All right, double click the install. Let's see, Moomoo Player is an app downloaded. Yes, that is fine. Right, it is installing. Let's launch it. And I've never used this program before, so I'm curious if it is going to be successful. All right, it looks like it's launching. Okay, that's fine. Okay, close that installer, and I'll go ahead and sign up. Give me a second here. I'll come right back. All right, looks like there is a 7-day trial. I wonder if this is, a lifetime unlock or if it is a monthly subscription. If it was a lifetime service, this might be worth it. Let's see. Purchase membership. Oh, membership denotes that it's a recurring charge. No lifetime. Let's see. So for 1 year, it is $43. Maybe there's a coupon code. Let's see if I can get y'all a coupon code for this. 90 days, 27, 30 days. So 1 month, $10. So let's see what we can do with the 7-day trial here. All right, here's the interface. Android device, 3 cores, 4 gigs of RAM, 360 DPI. Let's go to settings and see what we can do. This is pretty cool. I have the ability to change my device and give it a name. So we've got different models here. Huawei, and it's even got the IMEI number. That's pretty cool. GPU model, and again, I don't know how this is going to work. 2560 FPS counter. That's cool as well. We can turn that one on. Let's see, graphics enhancement. So it looks like I'll leave that off for now. And let's go to performance. We got balanced, and we can do fast math, lower rendering GPU usage. Yeah, sure, that's fine. Maximum frame rate, 130 frames per second. Okay, let's go to data. So looks like it's going to create a little storage on your hard drive. Don't need to be root for this one. Notch display, no notch, that's fine. And then global, we can change your storage directory. And I don't know what the Moomoo style is. Maybe we'll turn that on in a second here. But let's see what we can do with our default out-of-the-box setting. Let's close that. 3 cores, 4 gigs of RAM, and let's power this thing on. So you want to download, I guess the Epic launcher is what's going to let us download Fortnite. All right, so it just launched. Look at that, even got, that might be the frames per second counter. All right, let's take a look at our settings here. Yeah, so this looks just like a Android emulator. Very cool. All right, so the first thing we wanted to do was we wanted to, how do I get back to my home screen? Let me press the escape key. There we go, escape key. What is this, pictures? Okay, and folders. Download, okay, and the browser. Maybe it's some type of Chromium browser. Let's see if there's an about page here. I guess not. Settings, general, Moomoo Global, and all right. Well, let's try to download the Epic launcher Fortnite. Yeah, I don't even know how to do this. Okay, and download. Let's see. If you haven't already download the Epic Games launcher. Looks like I gotta sign in. All right, well, let me sign in. I do have an account. All right, well, I'll be right back. Let me sign in. It does look like a copy and paste is working. Let's sign in. And let me type in my code. Let's see, Epic 64463564446. Continue. What? Yep, that's fine. Confirm. See if we can make this bigger. We can. Nice. All right. All right. Now can I download? Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, that's great. Install on Android. Yes. Thank you. I am human. Yes, please. Want to install. Okay, fantastic. That's not too bad. All right, now can I install Fortnite? Let's see what else we have access to. It's Fall Guy. I don't know what that is. Cross-platform party royale game. Yes, I want to install Fortnite, please. Let's go back. All right, let's open this up. All right, so it's going to download. I'm not going to wait for that. 14 gigs. Goodness gracious. We'll be right back. Okay, well, that took forever, but we are actually at the Fortnite screen. Let's go ahead and log in. Is this me? That's fine. Sure. I wonder how it got that account. Interesting. Now, accept EULA. And again, I don't even know if I have a character. I'm probably a default, as they say. No, it's fine. Okay. Here's some sounds coming from my Mac Mini speaker. Okay, turn on voice chat. I'll leave that off for now.
I gotta get it, don't mind it.
Mapping. Okay. Let's guess I was trying to just see out of the box here. Tutorial. Let's see. Right click. Left joystick. Well, am I? Press a button to set the key value. Let's figure this one out. Maybe I need to just do the Bluetooth. Let me try that. Let me pause this. I'm gonna skip this. And don't without this. Nope. Okay, look. So the control is working. I didn't. It's just out of the box, so that's pretty cool. Let me equip. I don't know what that is. And let's do the graphics. Let's see. So we got what 26 frames per second right now. Let's try to do Battle Royale. So I need to charge my controller. Yeah, skip this. Well, looks like I've gotten to...
Red base is now protected.
Oh, look at those graphics. Pick up. Oh, wow. I need to give this some more CPU, some more horsepower. Everything, I guess. Oh, I'm picking stuff up, then I'm putting it down. All right. Play now? But yeah, let's go up. All right, let's play. Nope, I guess I cannot go in there. Yeah, I'm not even sure what level I'm playing here. But, alright, let's get out of here. Stop that. Okay, now let's quit this machine and let's give it some more performance, because that was getting kind of slow there. So let's do GPU will be high, and we'll keep it at 1920 by 1080, and let's see, let's try to do let's do high performance. Okay, so 4 cores, 6 gigabytes. Anything else that we can customize here? I would say, that was actually not too bad. Let's give it some more resources here. So let's drop the resolution. Get back into the game even higher. All right, here we go. Let's go back to Fortnite. Gamepads here, good to go. And that is pretty epic that it does support gamepads right out the box, both Bluetooth and wired. So that is really good. So if you want the full Fortnite experience, definitely give Moomoo a try. Alright, looks like I have found a match, and I think I got the Battle Royale shaders this time. I mean, the Battle Royale game mode this time. Alright, I'm in the game. Here we go, look at that. So it's playing pretty well. And getting my loot. So yeah, look at that. Pretty cool. I don't know how to play this game, so I have no idea what I'm doing. But it is cool that I can play the game. Alright, so here we go on the blimp. Oh, okay, well,